Hello, I'm Swami, a proud DTDC channel partner for the last 25 years. Come, let me show you my world. 25 years, a long journey, but it seems just like yesterday. Even today, I am as excited as I was when I first started my journey. There is so much happening all around. Each new day brings with it a new ocean of opportunities. Every day, I flip through my notebook and add new pages of glory to it. There is so much about DTDC World Cup, and the euphoria has been superb this year. Meetings conducted by seniors, including CMD Sir, exciting contests, engaging communication, all these have made the World Cup journey exciting. Even the best batsman contest has been unique. That's the beauty of the World Cup. This is like a family get-together at DTDC, the culmination of annual action and a stepping stone for the next financial year. I must mention Last Mile with a smile. Which started in November. The result is awesome. With introduction of Treasure Hunt in February, we are now generating business through deliveries, and we firmly believe that delivery is the biggest source of income. With the delivery boys now on Smart Track, life is so easy. Operations play a key role in our industry. After all, operations go a long way to help create the best last mile experience for the customer. The energy and rigor with which our CMD, directors, and senior management drive night operations has renewed vigor on the floor, and we are all set to improve our processes. Not only are we improving processes at the back end, a lot of initiatives are being taken to give best-in-class experience to customers. Our ultimate objective is customer satisfaction. Soon, we will be equipped to do bookings at our offices, thereby reducing TAT, and also take up Sunday deliveries. As a DTDC CP, I find so much confidence in dealing with customers when I talk about our unbeatable network. Even the customers acknowledge our reach. With the district champion model, we are forging ahead. I am very excited regarding e-commerce and getting a chance to work with sellers who work under the marketplace model. After all these sellers are located close to us only, and we are the faces they know and trust. Added PIN codes will also give us more opportunity to deliver more dot-zot shipments using the same processes and systems and dealing with the same channel team members for day-to-day coordination. Also for PEP, I have seen the focus. Next year is going to be the year of PEP and Go99. Launched in few cities and soon going pan-India. We'll also ride on the district champion model and open up more revenue opportunity. Pick Up is picking up. This year, that is till March 2016, the aim is to stabilize the operations in the network with the first 1,000 shops that we have, while expanding the network to around 1,550 shops in the same period. In 2016-17, the goal as of now is to expand the network to 3,600 stores across major cities in India and also add some 100 stores in remote locations. With every passing day, my bond with the organization gets stronger. The environment is such that I cannot escape the positivity this organization radiates. There is so much to learn. There is a continuous transformation for the better, and all these initiatives are aimed at making lives better for us and the customers. I'm sure my feelings echo the sentiments of all 10,500 CPs that are working with their heads high in this organization. Dil mein jazba, छू ले आसमां, रोके कौन जब हो साथ हम सभी, हम हैं DTDC।